Welcome back, friends. Amazon is changing overnight the schedule of delivery, freight shipments, and Amazon Prime delivery for its third party sellers. What I'm trying to say is that the third party sellers at Amazon will not be able to use FedEx anymore. Amazon has come out with this, citing poor on ground delivery performance by FedEx. Naturally, the delivery wars are now heating up. Amazon has on its own invested $1.5 billion in its Kentucky facility and is developing the ability to deliver Amazon Prime and other products on its own. Almost 58% of the total Amazon Prime deliveries are third party seller delivered. Such a imposition of non-usage of FedEx for delivery comes at a very wrong time for these third party sellers. They will not be able to use FedEx and therefore they will have to go to others, which will increase their costs, and they would in turn charge the customers for that. This increases the costing for the customers in the busiest holiday season of the year in Europe and in America. And this therefore has led to a lot of disarray. Customers and third party sellers both look very disappointed with this move by Amazon, since it has discontinued FedEx as one of the suppliers for its Amazon Prime. Amazon has been at the forefront of lowering the cost for the customers, and such move is a little bit difficult to understand. At the same time, the third party sellers will not be able to have as many options as they used to have before. And not only the costing, but even the delivery within the 1 or 2 days that Amazon Prime requires them to deliver will become very difficult. All this just when Christmas is 9 days away and at the peak of the holiday season in Europe and United States. The markets were on a roll yesterday. As I mentioned, even the United States was higher. Today you're seeing a little bit of red in Europe, although Asia looks to be strong at this point of time. However, you may see some more green tomorrow as well across the world. On Thursday, 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock, in that range in India, Nifty and Sensex could witness a correction. Friday should be a red day for most of the day in Asia. India, Sensex, Nifty could get hurt badly. Next week we may also start well, but this whole rhythm will run out shortly. What I'm trying to tell you is that the week has started on a positive note, will continue for one more day, and then correction will start seeping in. This is the forecast I had at the end of last week as well, and therefore investors should understand the positivity which is there for a few days will last only into that. Thursday you will see some red, Friday almost a full red day, and therefore please be positioned accordingly. With Christmas round the corner, you may see some bit of cheer. Markets could start well next week, but then post Christmas, instead of a Santa Claus rally, you will see a sea of red. Happy investing. Take care. Bye bye.